Next, I am going to create AI greeting bot in Python. So this is my Visual Studio Code, and I have a folder on desktop. In that folder, I'm creating one file and I'm naming it as greetingbot.py. So this is my file, and in this program, we are going to create our very first AI style chatbot using Python. Don't worry, it's beginners friendly and only 2 lines code. So first of all, we are going to take a variable name equals to now input, and within double quotes, I'm giving a message like your name. Now, input is used to take data from user, and inside the bracket, whatever message we'll type will appear on screen. For example, if we run this program, we'll get to see a message, your name. That means we have to put our name there. And whatever name we'll provide there will go to this name variable. Then second statement is print simple bracket f. Within double quotes, I'm saying hello. Now it's curly bracket. Here I'm providing name. This name is our variable which we have provided here. Comma. Here I'm saying I am a bot. We can say AI bot. Now this print is used to display output on screen, and this F means formatted string. That means if we are putting this F, then only whatever value we are providing here will go to this name variable. If we remove this F, will be like it is not going to display us that value which we are providing for that variable. So save the program and run it. So here we can see that it is asking us your name. I'm saying A, B, C. So here it is saying hello ABC, I am a AI bot. I am an AI bot. Now this program is not real AI, it is rule based AI program, and it is foundation of every AI chatbot. So one more time we will see how it is working. Click on run. Here it is asking us my name. I'm saying ABC. So it is saying hello ABC, I am an AI bot.